Conditions have changed in the world of home buying, and being informed is key to success. Understanding the latest market trends and home buying strategies is essential to finding the perfect home and landing the best deal for you. Hello, I'm Monty Roberts with HomeSmart Eye Care Realty here in Sacramento, California. And I assist individuals and families such as you and yours in purchasing their dream homes. We're holding a home buying workshop that will cover everything from understanding your buying power to negotiating the best deal. We'll dive into smart search strategies, offer insights in securing financing, and reveal how to make a competitive offer. We'll also cover the entire buying process from start to finish so you know what to expect. And we will have a lender on hand who will cover all your questions about the mortgage process, attaining approvals, down payments, and talk about programs that are designed to help the first-time home buyer with down payment assistance. In today's competitive market, being prepared can make all the difference between winning and losing a home of your dreams. We'll also share tips on identifying potential hidden costs, how to avoid common pitfalls, and things that can occur during the buying process. Learn how to spot potential homes, make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. Join our home buying workshop online, where we'll arm you with the knowledge to navigate the market confidently. This live on webinar has been streamlined from our in-person workshop down to a comprehensive 45-minute program, so you can learn these valuable insights from the comfort of your home. It's live, it's interactive, allowing for real-time questions and answers, plus you'll receive exclusive free home buying resources and guides that you can keep. For those looking for personal tailored advice, you will be able to book a one-on-one meeting with me after the workshop at no cost. Our workshop is completely free. There's no obligation, no commitment, and there will be no high-pressure sales tactics. The spaces will be limited so we can make sure that everyone gets a chance to join in. So reserve your spot early and empower your home buying journey. Join us at the next home buying workshop. Secure your spot now at sacramentoworkshops.com. Again, that's sacramentoworkshops.com, and we'll see you at the next seminar.